me sad for real. Nah, for real. Why would you do that? Don't do that shit to me. I know you mad, but I don't understand why you fucking me over for real. These fuck niggas can't keep up with a trap nigga for real. They ain't never rap this shit like me, so understand. I'm the realest young nigga that gon' step in this shit for real. You're making me sad. Nah, for real. Tryna give you the world and pay for everything for real. I can buy you a car any day or get a purse out the mall. You know, I've been turned up, I've been getting this money. I've been stashing my shit up for a while. They can't fuck with me for real. I know this shit ain't fun the way I'm doing this shit. I know they love me and the way I'm making this money, I'm being real. I lay her down and put her on the bed and spread her like some honey. But she know one thing, she don't come before my money. Fuck me up with this one.